Hello students, welcome to Saurav Sir's classes. Today we are going to solve a few questions on general aptitude from the GATE examination. The question is, there are 3 Indians and 3 Chinese in a group of 6 people. How many subgroups of this group can we choose so that every subgroup has at least one Indian? Now, the total number of ways of selection is 6C1 plus 6C2 plus 6C3 plus 6C4 plus 6C5 plus 6C6, that is 6, plus 15 plus 20 plus 15 plus 6 plus 1, that is 63 ways. Now, total number of ways of selection such that there is no Indian is 3C1 plus 3C2 plus 3C3, that is 3 plus 3 plus 1, that is 7 ways. Therefore, number of ways of selection such that there is at least one Indian is 63 minus 7, that is 56 ways. So option A is the correct option. The next question is, a contour line joins locations having the same height above the mean sea level. The following is a contour plot of a geographical region. Contour lines are shown at 25-meter intervals in this plot. The path from P to Q is best described by. So, the path from P to Q can be best described as from 550 to 500 to 575 to 550. So first we go down, then we go up, then we again go down. Therefore, the correct option is option C, that is down, up, down. The next question is, if we are in this, basically we have been given a passage and we have been given 4 statements. Now from these 4 statements, we need to choose the statement that best reflects the author's opinion. So the passage is, if we are looking for a history of India or for an account of the rise and fall of the British Raj, or for the reason of the cleaving of the subcontinent into 2 mutually antagonistic parts, and the effects this mutilation will have in the respective sections and ultimately or Asia, you will not find it in these pages. For though I have spent a lifetime in the country, I lived too near the seat of events and was too intimately associated with the actors to get the perspective needed for the impartial recording of these matters. Then which of the following statements best reflects the author's opinion? Option A, an intimate association does not allow for the necessary perspective. Option B, matters are recorded with an impartial perspective. Option C, an intimate association offers an impartial perspective. And option D, actors are typically associated with impartial recording of matters. Now option A best reflects the author's opinion. Therefore option A gives us the correct answer.